Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Blue color, pink color, red color, orange color, brown color. Let's start. Purple color. Start. A. E for aeroplane. Purple color. K. K for kite. Purple color. T. T for tomato. Purple color. W. W for water. Purple color. I. I for ice cream. Yellow color. H. H for hen. V. V for village. S. S for sister. M. M for mango. Y. Y for yak. Kitty. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. Q. Q for queen. L. L for lion. C. C for carrot. Pink color. P. P for butterfly. J. J for joker. R. R for ring. U. U for umbrella. Z. Z for zebra. P. P for piano. D. D for dog. Green color. O. O for orange. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. N. N for nest. So kids, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and at last smiley for happy kids. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.